Today we're going to make resin dice. We have some glitters here, some of the resin dye, and some of the pigments. We have purple, yellow, green, pink, blue. We have black, red, purple, orange, white, yellow, green, blue. And we have blue, glitter, more blue, glitter, even more. Purple, red, pink, white and white. There's some reddish, pinkish, and there's some green.
Which color do you
Yes, we're going to use A and B, 20 ml of A in each cup, and a 1:1 ratio.
So, which one?
We're ready for the first pour.
This one. So we put this in first?
Yeah. Okay. 1 drop.
Can I put on 1 drop and you mix it? And Mommy does the cap. So first
You can choose which color the glitter is going first. We're first going to do the green and the pink. The yellow and the pink. And you can
I'm going to this one first. Hey, that's green.
Okay, there we go. You can start.
First, we're going to do green.
Okay.
It's going to be in this one. Ready?
Yep. Put a drop in.
And now,
Good.
green. Yes, so not green.
Good work. Perfect.
And now some glitter.
Yeah.
It's cool. Looks cool, doesn't it? Just gonna wait for glitter to pour in. Here's the first one we've ever made.
What's the other one? What's the other bit?
Can I mix it faster now?
Yeah, just don't introduce bubbles.
We're ready.
So are we doing yellow next?
Yep. Do your yellow next.
So yellow has this cup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a break of mixing.
So
Do you want to put a second drop in?
no.
You sure?
Yeah, that's too bright.
Okay.
I'll do one more shot.
Oh.
He was actually asked to it. Very nice picture. My what? Oh, this is gold. This is going to be gold. Yeah, that's cool. Next one.
Is it? It's not getting any glitter in the yellow.
Okay. First, I'll bring the fried cheese. It's around with the fig. Like, not thin fried cheese. Well, a bit more fried cheese. No. No, we have to do the wedding.
Sure. That's going stuff.
No, that.
Hunter, you try.
Bit more. Two. Little two can start right there. Okay. Three.
And then
It's really
that's yellow.
great. This one is actually quite big. It might be red or bright picture. Yeah, it's pink. But it doesn't say what color it is. Roll it to it. Or is it two? One drop or two?
One, I think.
No, for the yellow. I might get a bit more. Hey!
Sorry. Which flakies are going in?
It's like fire! Can I see? Oh yeah, now it's a bit orangey. I didn't double glove this side.
That's okay.
Yeah. Okay, but
Do you want to put more flakies in? Do you want to put more flakies in? That's not a lot.
no, that.
Okay. You put the others in?
Oh no, go.
That's two of them. You push it.
Here you go. And now for the last one.
The last.
So, which pigment is
Red color.
the yellow pigment? Was open. But it did that. The yellow pigment. Get the other pigment and pull it in. Those two. Do they go by themselves? No, even with this. Oh. That's a lot of further.
One.
Turn like the mirror to tail. Like some pink. That's one thing so please be excited. It's gonna get cold.
It's illegal unless we want up the inside, but yeah, we choose flavor.
Look how cool this looks. Whoa.
Oh, what's the last color?
No. It's all just a blue.
Okay.
There's. Because that's a lot. It's just blue. Blue.
Keep it in the middle.
To blue. Dye. To blue. Like. Sort of like the house. It's already blue enough. Dry skin? Oh yeah, it's so bluish. That's my butt.
Oh, let me help.
But don't put it in. And now, what? You're not doing any of the group?
Okay.
Oh, there's so much glitter.
There's so much blue.
Just need the blue flake.
This is only blue. It's only red.
Well, there is some orange in it.
Yeah. This is a volcanic eruption. It's like a volcanic eruption. It's lava.
Yes. Good stuff. Okay.
Time to start pouring.
Can I help?
This one's gonna be a blue one. Now, one more. So one more to go on.
Why can't I do it?
Oh, do you want to put gloves back on and then you can try?
Yeah.
There's
Can I do the yellow?
There's 3 blue.
Sure.
The yellow looks like
Remember to mix it first.
Yeah. Mix it.
Actually, remember, I'm gonna do the yellow.
Bit more maybe?
Bit more.
Okay, stop.
That was good.
It's just so hard
That was
to
really
get
good.
this tubs back on.
Over the lid. Oopsies.
Don't use the yellow silicone.
I know, yeah. The red stain for shame.
Okay.
A bit.
Okay.
And can you stop it?
Yeah.
We didn't use each of the purple. Each 3 of the purples, the black and the pink. So the purple pigment and the purple dye. We didn't use the black dye. We didn't use the purple clear. We didn't use the pink pigment. We'll be back in 24 hours to unmold these dyes. Bye. See you in 24 hours. We're back at Ash's Amazing Adventures. And it was under 24 hours, like 18 hours. Now we're going to unmold some dyes. Well, I have 1 on the top. Was there right? 1, 0.
No, those are black.
Time to unmold some dice. First one I'm doing is really hard. Well,
No, but we have to take the.
yeah. It feels like actual plastic. They're hard now. Okay, this one's like actual plastic. Got the first one. I'll help with the mystery one. The mystery one is really delicate. There's fewer bubbles, but there's still a few. There's still a few bubbles, but there's less. You do the top two, I'll do the bottom two.
I don't know how to do it. I think those
This
Oh no!
one is done.
Last
Look how
one.
cool this one looks.
Spin it round.
Be so funny, right, Jessie? So you'd have a dice necklace or dice bracelet.
Now we're going to paint the resin. First, I'm doing this one.
Look, I went.
Mine is turning out really good.
Mine too. Because there are not much bubbles, right, Jessie?
More bubbles than what we do.
Show us. What number is it?
4.
Wow.
Look at my five.
My 5 is 6. You're only doing one.
Straight.